So, it's probably to no one's surprise that I love my dog a lot. And when I mean a lot, I mean I will die for him. And because I love him a lot, he is quite spoiled. And when I mean spoiled, I mean he's very spoiled. And today, he got a package. So let's open it up.
Homie got a package for you. You excited? What's here? Go. What is it? You want it? You want it? Yeah, you do? Okay. Oh, what is it? What is it, guys? I got an antler for you. No, don't take. Marko, no. No, not yet, not yet. I need to unwrap it. Sniff. Only sniff. No. Okay.
So, this is a deer antler, and I got it from Marko. I got it from Marko because he really likes to chew things, and I feel bad because I got rid of all of his rawhide bones because I found out they were bad for dogs. So, I got this for him, and let me just say, this is a size large. And I know I got the wrong size for him because he's supposed to get, what was it, the mega size one? He's a big boy, he needs something big, but. So let's see if he likes it.
You want it? You want it? See if Mr. Marko likes it. Here you go. Nope. Come back. Marko. Do you like it, Marko?
Did you crack it already? Guys, when I tell you that this dog has a powerful jaw, I mean it, guys. He has a powerful ass jaw and will crack through anything.